What's up, what's up, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. I'm just here to make a quick drip update. My goodness, look at this price, $34. This is the perfect buy-in price. The perfect buy-in price for drip. In my opinion, I'm sure it's not just me, a lot of people's opinion. Drip is one of the most sustainable, most consistent, paying 1% daily. Every day. I've been compounding a lot. You see, I'm at 53 tokens now. Let's get it. Let me start. But yeah, I started at 16 or so. So I'm compounding my way up. I made a few deposits, dollar cost averaging here and there. But I believe this is a good point to get in. It'll be a good way for passive income. And I believe once the animal farm opens back up, and these other bullish news actually comes to fruition, this price is going to skyrocket. So people, I'm not a financial advisor or anything, but I'm just saying you should get in the drip if you're not in it, at least to diversify your bag and just to have some more long-term plays. This does pay 1% daily return on your investment for up to 365%. So if you were to leave it alone, it'll pay you consistently every day for a year. You know, if you was to leave it alone. But if you compound, obviously that time would change. Your max payout right here would change. Okay. I will put my buddy address down below. If you guys want to start in the faucet, you can start under me. And then you could have people under your team. Now, you do need someone's buddy address to get started with the faucet, but you do not need a team in order to make money on this platform. You don't need a team. So if you really think about it, all of these coins have some type of Ponzi-nomics, if you say it like that. But they could be sustainable if everybody understands. Boom, boom, boom. Hydrate, make some money, reinvest. You know what I'm talking about? Have a healthy balance between claiming and hydrating. But a real powerful, smart play would be to just compound a lot. Build your bag. The price is at $34. I just showed you guys. The all-time high for drip was at $197. I don't know why a lot of people don't know that. So it is a little bit down now, but that's because everything is pretty much down. Soon as they open back up the animal farm, I'm pretty sure this price is going to be well into the hundreds. I'm confident in that, actually. Okay? So if you guys are bullish on drip and you've seen this track record for the time that it's been out, then you know that it's still very bullish. This is a very bullish price. And yeah, you can get started. Now, if you do want to get started, let me just do a quick run through. You will come here to swap. You'll buy drip with your BNB. If you do it from here, it's tax free on the buy. Okay. Now, once you have drip, it'll show on your drip balance. Then you'll be able to go to the faucet and you'll be able to put the amount of drip that you already have in your wallet into the faucet. Now, once you enter your drip or your drip tokens into this faucet, you cannot withdraw. You only can withdraw the available, which is the rewards that it pay out, which is 1% a day. As of the current price right now, you can see that the USDT or the US dollar value is $1,835. So that means I make about $18 daily on this platform as of the current value. Okay. So if the price was to stay the same, it would pay me $18 consistently for about a year. Okay, which would be 194 drip. Okay, so and that's another cool thing about it. So even though I only have 53 drip, if I was to leave it alone, I would be able to collect 194 drip, which would be around, if you guys want to do the math with me, it'd be 194 times what's drip at $34. 34, around $6,600. So although I only have $1,838, I'll be able to get about 6,000 plus. So this is a very cool platform. Shout out Forex, very smart dev. He went into it the other day on an AMA with the creator of Elephant Money, and we all seen the exploit that happened with them recently. Drip has been holding the test of time. They haven't been really exposed to too many exploits, not that I know of. Only thing that I've heard is this hold up with the animal farm. But they do have a official date that the 21st they will reopen that. So I can almost guarantee that by the 21st, this contract is gonna fly up. So if I were you guys, I'll buy in now. Not financial advice, but I'll buy in now. And I might do another deposit into this. Okay, because I've been dollar cost averaging and building my bag with this drip, because I'm very bullish on this. A lot of my friends, they be like, oh, you making money off of the crypto DeFi? I'm like, yeah, DeFi. But I'll be like, yo, look, check out my YouTube, and they still just making excuses. Later on, they see me making hundreds a day, and they still don't. Oh, we're gonna get into it eventually. Don't be like them. Be like the ones that take action and jump into these things. These are once in a lifetime opportunities. We seen projects like Hex, like even Drip, create millionaires in a space. Millionaires, those that took action and seen the opportunities as they were in front of them. So come on, people. Let's be the smart ones. Let's be the ones that take those early investment. Let's be the ones that take those risks. High risk, high reward. That's how it is. Price even going up as we speak. Get me? So I have my buddy address down below if you want to get started. If you're still a little confused or you want somebody to walk you through, join my Telegram group. I'll put the link down below. That's Bullpen Millionaires. It's a community of a lot of wholehearted, nice people. And like this video because I brought that content. And please, people, remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.